Self-proclaimed dancehall recording artist Amari hit with copyright takedown notice. Hi again and welcome. This is Links of 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and I'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 7 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 7 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. Now, DJ Amari Mona Lisa has been set back in her musical career after it is stated by her that there have been a number of copyright infringement that is being claimed on her music that she has worked so hard to produce. As you know, the dancehall entertainer has been out there doing his thing and has so far given us a smash hit, Nico. But with this new development, we are not sure whether or not this will dampen the spirit of the dancehall recording artist. So self-proclaimed hip-hop and reggae dancehall and R&B artist Amari, who goes by the name DJ Mona Lisa, is buckling under pressure as she is faced with a string of copyright takedown notice for some of her more than 70 songs released under the Phantom Fireworks record label. Among the titles being brought into dispute with her record label have been made aware of so far. Some of those songs include Clueless, Sleepless Nights, Vacation, Touch Reach, Rescue, and Car Crash, among many others. The songs are being taken down owing to constant complaint from a certain artist camp about copyright infringement. In 2020, they claimed for Cheetah Girls, and even when told that they are entitled to their royalties, according to Amari, they said that they still wanted the music down. As of this year, they made a claim on No Ordinary Girl, and it didn't stop there. They even went after the entire album, even though Amari is the only artist on the album. Amari, who described herself as an international recording artist, marketing influencer, and brand ambassador, told reporters. Amari insists that any collaboration that she did with artists were paid for, work for hire, and she is the sole owner. A slew of email correspondence to Amari from distributors Harlot's My Client Zone was shared. Each notice clearly states the name of the song in dispute. For example, a takedown notice has been issued for Phantom Fireworks Record Label Incorporated, My Client Zone, to all stores for the release of Cheetah Girls. So that is just an example of how the notice that Amari is receiving based on her copyright infringement songs that the company is stating Amari is a part of. A letter from Spotify also cited infringement from the same artist and management. She explained that the situation has been ongoing for about 3 years and admitted that she has tried her own brand of retaliation. At one point, I tried to give them a dose of their own medicine by claiming my rights as his manager and asked that the music released without my permission be taken down. They were greatly offended, according to Amari. Yet they feel that it's their right to demonetize my Facebook page and falsely claiming copyright, shutting down my YouTube platforms and removing my releases from every platform. I am just asking my goodies to pray for me. I pray for peace and that the situation may be resolved, according to Amari. Amari, who migrated to the United States in her late teens, wrote her first song Get a Child when she was 10 years old and recorded it at age 15 at Dynamic Sound Recording Studio in Kingston. At age 17, she recorded Needing You, another R&B single, and has never looked back since. According to Amari, she has over 70 songs before her breakout hit Nico, and currently have 6 albums, including her greatest hits album. Currently, she has a recording of 81 releases and wrote over 100 songs during her teens. According to her bio, Amari DJ Mona Lisa studied international law at Nova Southeastern University in Florida. She also attended other colleges where she pursued studies in psychology, computer programming, and criminal justice. Amari has been a very determined recording artist, and even when people were very doubtful of her, she proved to them with her breakout single, Nico, that she's in this business to stay, and she's here and putting up a good fight within the music itself and trying to just get her name out there, both on social media and even in the recording arena. So we just want to wish Amari all the best with these claims that are being made against her music, and hopefully she find the best possible way to deal with the situation information in the shortest possible time. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and thanks for watching. And please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel so you're always updated with the latest celebrity news. Have a blessed and productive day.